Welcome to a Munch of the internet. The guy in this car was driving slow enough to avoid getting hit by this tree. Oh.
You got to be kidding me.
Here's how contagious a yawn can be.
Show Daddy how you blow your bubbles.
Dip, dip, dip.
Dip, 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 dip. Okay, now go blow them.
This handsome reindeer loves compliments.
How are ya, buddy? Wow, you are gorgeous.
Pretty and you know it.
Your antlers are huge, dude. Huge, let me tell you.
What simple is that one? Ready? I guess.
This whirlwind got some skiers very excited.
That's so crazy.
This is how a towel ends up in below freezing temperatures. This kid has amazing strength.
Auf geht's.
This dog actually spoke.
Want one. Say it. I want one. Oh my God. You just did it.
This tour guide looks like he's had a long day.
What a ninja, dude.
Can I post this on
Yes, you can. Let's go.
This is what an elephant snore sounds like up close. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys again next time.